Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be unboxing the G.SKILL TridentZ Royal RAM. The box comes with a very nice band that says G.SKILL TridentZ Royal. Removing it. Now on the bottom, you'll see the G.SKILL logo here, and turning it onto the back, it's just mostly a little bit more logos, information, and obviously the serial number and everything. Oh, made in Taiwan, all production processes are ticked. Oh, that's interesting. Anyways, main thing. Open up the box, first thing you see is a little G.SKILL sticker. Well, this is something that I didn't expect to see coming out from a RAM box, which is, well, a microfiber cloth. I'm guessing this would be to clean up your RAM before you put it in, things like that. Now, the kit I have here is actually the silver one. I chose to get the silver one just because, well, gold, yeah, everyone has the gold one, and to me gold just looks a bit over the top. I do prefer something that's a little bit more subtle in terms of color, so that's why I went for the silver one, and they are just as nice with this little gems, and this little design here is just really very insanely beautiful, and it's so reflective that you can actually see your own reflection on this. So let me take it out. As you can see, it's so reflective that, yeah, you can even see the camera recording and me. So yeah, on the side you'll see it's written TridentZ Royal. Turning it to the back, it's basically the same thing with TridentZ Royal. The top is just a very nice strip where the light will shine through, and I've already seen it in real life and I do know that it looks gorgeous, so I can't wait to put this into a build. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else in this box, but doesn't hurt to check. Nope, nothing else. So just a very simple unboxing. The kit I have here is the 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, and it will definitely be able to run the PC that I'm going to be building very easily. So be sure to stay tuned in the next probably week or so where I'll be releasing that video, because yeah, then you get to see it in action, like running along, changing the lights, playing around, seeing how it looks like in an actual PC build. So overall, I'm very pleased with this, and it looks just so gorgeous, and I really can't wait to use it to build. So remember, like and subscribe for more tech videos, hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!